If you've been waiting for a smartphone that redefines affordability without compromising on premium features, your search ends here. Today, we're excited to introduce you to an incredible device that combines cutting-edge technology with an unbeatable price. Imagine a smartphone with a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Infinity Pro Max 5G. A device that's set to revolutionize the smartphone market. If you're curious to learn more, make sure to watch this video till the end. In today's video, we'll dive into the full leaked features, expected price, and launch date of this amazing phone. Let's start. Features of Nokia Infinity Pro Max 5G. This stunning smartphone boasts a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a jaw-dropping 2K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. To top it off, it comes with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this display is a visual treat. Camera setup. Nokia is set to give the iPhone a run for its money with its camera setup. The Nokia Infinity Pro Max 5G features a triple camera system on the rear, headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor. It's paired with a 25-megapixel telephoto lens and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, ensuring you capture every detail, no matter the distance or angle. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, one of the fastest processors on the market. Combined with the latest Android 15 operating system, you can expect lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and an ultra-smooth user experience. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Infinity Pro Max 5G packs a massive 7500 mAh battery, with 125-watt fast charging support. Plus, the USB Type-C charging port ensures quick and convenient charging. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? While there's no official confirmation yet, leaks suggest the price will be around $420 or €390. As for the launch date, rumors point to a release in the last quarter of 2025. Stay tuned for more updates.